मूवमेंट में होते थे थोड़ा मूवमेंट
कितना कितना भेजा है कहाँ देख रहे हैं कहाँ पहुँच
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now joined by our group of vultures. Let me introduce them one by one. Let me carry this guy on my hand. This is a white-backed vulture, and the three grey ones in front there, they are the white-backed vultures. Sorry, this is a white-tailed vulture. Both these species can be found in Africa, with the exception of the two big brown guys back there. They are the cinereous vultures from Europe and Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got more birds joining us. Brahmini kinds. They can be found in Southeast Asia. Let's watch them make a few more impressive catches. Do you want to see one last high throw? Alright, let's try this out. You. Let's give him a big round of applause, everyone. And with that, after having seen all these birds float here,